Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create group chat polls on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to open my group chat. We can go to this Instagram direct message to open our group chat, and I'm gonna go with this group chat. So I'm gonna click on it, and if we want to create poll on this group chat, we just need to click on this sticker option. Okay, and we can click on the sticker icon again right here. And here, since we want to create a poll, we just need to click on poll. Okay, then you can add the poll question. I'm just going to add random question on this poll like this. Okay, and we can click on the options. You can add options for your poll. I'm going to add like this. Okay, and after we're done creating the poll, we just need to click on create poll, and the poll will be automatically sent to this group chat. And I guess that's how we can create group chat polls on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.